Nestled at Erskine Street, L61AJ UK, True Liverpool epitomizes comfortable and convenient student living in Liverpool. With a diverse range of room options including the True Accessible Apartment, True Apartment, and various studio types, like the True Sky Studio. With city views, True Liverpool caters to every student's preferences and needs. All the rooms here are fully furnished and come with cozy bed, study desk, spacious wardrobe, and plenty of storage space for your belongings. The property also features a state-of-the-art gym, rooftop outdoor cinema and cinema room, and multiple social areas ensuring students have everything they need for a balanced university experience. And with a welcoming team and high-speed Wi-Fi, students can focus on their studies without missing out on the fun. Its proximity to esteemed educational institutions such as the University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University makes it a prime choice for students. Moreover, True Liverpool's strategic location means students are never far from Liverpool's eclectic eateries, comprehensive transport links, and must-visit attractions. Whether it's grabbing a bite at Moose Coffee, stocking up on essentials at Tesco Express, or unwinding at Wavertree Botanic Gardens, True Liverpool puts everything within reach. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream stay at amberstudent.com today.